Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Spotify on Roku and sign in correctly step by step clearly. To activate Spotify on your Roku device, start by powering on your Roku TV or streaming device. Ensure that your Roku is connected to the internet. Next, navigate to the Roku home screen using your remote. Scroll down to the Streaming Channels option on the left menu. Select Streaming Channels and enter the Channel Store. In the Channel Store, use the search function to find Spotify. Once you locate the Spotify app, select it to view its details. Click on the Add Channel button to download and install Spotify on your Roku. After the installation is complete, return to the home screen to find the Spotify channel. Open the Spotify app by selecting it from your channel list. You will see a prompt asking you to log in. If you already have a Spotify account, select the Login option. You will then receive a unique activation code on your screen. Now, go to a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Visit the Spotify activation website at spotify.com/activate now. Enter the activation code displayed on your Roku screen into the provided field. After entering the code, click on the Login button. If prompted, sign in using your Spotify username and password. Once logged in, return to your Roku device. Your Spotify app should now be activated and ready for use. Navigate through the interface to explore your playlists and favorite music. Enjoy streaming your favorite songs on Spotify using your Roku. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.